Farmers in St. Elizabeth receive a boost to their production capabilities through the National Irrigation Commission, and residents of St. James join together to celebrate Earth Day. These are all we have for you today on Western Roundup, and it promises to be exciting, so stick around. Farmers on the southern St. Elizabeth to South Manchester belt of the island are singing the praises of the National Irrigation Commission NIC and by extension the Ministry of Agriculture and Fisheries for the addition of 2 water trucks to provide irrigation water to their farms. The 2 6,000-gallon water trucks, valued at $35 million, will increase the capacity of the NIC by 100% to truck water on a weekly basis.
The NIC have just gotten 2 new trucks, which will help to enhance the productivity of the farmers in that area. Those farmers have been struggling over the years, not getting sufficient water to produce their crops. And also, if they can get some, they have to pay a very high price for it. This truck water from the NIC is basically subsidized by almost 200% compared to what the other farmers would have to buy from the other truckers.
The trucks will increase supply capacity, improve delivery time, and expand the reach of farmers in areas such as Top Hill, Southfield, Congo Hole, Seaview, Santa Cruz, Middlesex, Slipe, Burn Savannah, Mountainside, Billy's Bay, Treasure Beach, and Sandy Bank.
There's this slogan that says water is life, and it's not only life for the animals and humans, but it's equally life for the plants. And so with the introduction of these 2 new trucks in the area, it will significantly alleviate the shortage of water that we sometimes farmers are confronted with, and it will actually boost our production. As farmers, we want to maintain that tradition of St. Elizabeth being the breadbasket parish in Jamaica, and we cannot do this without having adequate supply of water. So I am pretty certain that with the introduction of these 2 new trucks, our costs will be minimized, and of course, ultimately, as farmers, we're going to get a better return on our investment, because ultimately that's what the farmer really wants.
The trucking of water is part of a wider drive by the ministry to bring water to farmers. This will also include the Essex Valley Agricultural Development Project, where work is underway. Finally, April 22 was celebrated as Earth Day, and the team from the Western Parks and Market, WPM Waste Management Limited, joined with residents of St. James to organize a cleanup and sensitization exercise. Communities such as Irwin, Retirement, and Gutters in the parish were among the areas to have old appliances and bulky wastes removed and mini dump sites cleaned. Residents who were part of the action are signaling their approval of the move by the WPM and encouraging their neighbors to join in on the action.
I would encourage them to take the garbage to the bin, store them in a bag, and then you put it in the bin, because sometimes when the truck comes to take it from the bin and it's not in a container like in a bag, it takes a long time for them to clean it up and such the like. So I'm encouraging the community. They are doing good, they are doing good, but they can do better.
Meanwhile, Customer Relations Officer at the WPM Waste Management Limited, Shannon Williams, is urging residents to partner with the entity in helping to keep the earth clean.
I just want to encourage everybody to partner with us. Jamaica's beauty is a collective duty. The Solid Waste Management Authority, we have a duty to collect the garbage, but you also have a duty to package your garbage properly, store it until it is time for collection.
Earth Day was celebrated under the theme, Restoring Our Earth. That's all for the program, folks. Thanks for joining us for Western Roundup, where we take you from the corners of St. Elizabeth to the hilly terrains of St. Anne. Remember to send your feedback to jismobe@jis.gov.jm. Until next time, take care.